Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, as you can probably tell, it is pouring rain right now. We're in Las Vegas. It is Monday, I don't even know what day it is, January 25th, and we're gonna do some Doordash because there's no better time to do Doordash than when it's raining. I mean, like, there's definitely better times to do it, like, for the sake of like how hard it's gonna be, but you always make really good money whenever it's raining. So I'm gonna log into Doordash. I haven't even looked, but you never even need to look to, yeah, see, it's very busy right now. $1 plus in my area. So I am going to log in and do a little bit of Doordash and try to get everything done before, like, let's say 2 o'clock today. Need to do a few orders, make some extra money real quick, and then, yeah, continue on with the day. But yeah, so if you guys, I don't know who watched the UFC a couple days ago, I was talking about it on the channel, how exciting it was, and I thought Conor was gonna win. I did, and if you actually go back and watch the fight, Conor was winning the majority of the fight, and then he got knocked out, which is crazy because Conor McGregor's never been knocked out before. But I think that's best case scenario for my guy Tony Ferguson, because maybe Conor will fight Tony now. Who knows? Who knows? But it was super good pay-per-view. Although I got my money back because they weren't freaking streaming it at first. Anyways, enough about that. I gotta show you something because this is super annoying. I need to get new windshield wipers, and I haven't gotten them for my new car yet. Oh no! I don't even know why I did that. I knew that was gonna happen. Anyways, gotta get some new windshield wipers because mine are broken. So anyways, let's go head over to the outlet mall. Let's go. That thing is so annoying. I gotta get a new windshield wipers right now. That's so horrible. So that windshield wiper is so bad. Oh, at least now the part that's hanging off is on the bottom. Anyway, so we are gonna go drive over to AutoZone real quick and then find a parking structure to get all this stuff changed, because I can't drive around with this for very long. Oh, hold on. All right, that was an unfortunate phone call. That was someone wanting to return shoes because they didn't fit. We have a really good return policy. It's called send them back and we give you your money back, or we send you a new pair of shoes. Because I'm just trying to keep everyone happy, you know. I think that's probably the most important part of a new business, is just making sure 100% of your customers are happy. But there's a few people that have been kind of jackasses. Like someone, okay, this is one of the things that's totally like, I'm not doing this, you know. So this person sent me, or they bought some shoes at, I think we had like a flash sale and everything was 50% off. So I send them to her. She's in England or something like that, and for some odd reason it's insanely expensive to ship to England. It's like $65 to $70 to send one pair of shoes. So their order, I mean, we gave them 50% off, meaning I'm making about $25 on this pair of shoes. So send her the shoes. She says she ordered the wrong pair, or the wrong size. We have a sizing chart and everything on there, you know, like, that's not my fault. It's not. I put the Euro size, the regular men's size, like how it fits to women. If you read it, like, you get it, you know. And then she says, oh, they're slightly too big. Send me another pair of shoes. And I'm like, I will send you another pair at cost, or you can send them back and then I'll send you another pair, but I'm not gonna just send you more shoes, you know. Like, you only paid for one pair and it was at 50% off, and it's ridiculous shipping to England. So I mean, what would you guys do in this case? But I'm like, okay, for one, if I send her more shoes, I'm losing money at this point. I'm paying someone to have 2 pairs of my shoes. I can't do that, obviously, because if everyone did this, then it just wouldn't be a good business model. Anyway, so most people are like, when I tell people, like, yeah, just if you guys want to hold on to the shoes, you can hold on to them, and if they don't fit, just buy another pair for 20 bucks and you can keep both pairs. Give them to someone else, you know. It's you get 2 pairs of shoes. But there's a few people out there that are just trying to get free stuff, you know. It's kind of like rude the way she approached me too. if you're rude the way you approach me, that's gonna be a whole different story too. If you're nice and you're like, I'm so sorry, but these shoes like don't fit or something. But if you're like, blah, 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 like super angry and shit, like the way she was pretty angry, I was like, okay, that's, I don't really want you as a customer anyways. Anyway, so we're gonna walk in. I have decided that my New Year's resolution, other than make a video every single day, is going to be no more drinking. I'm not drinking alcohol anymore. For the Conor McGregor fight, I had too much Irish whiskey, and I'm not gonna lie, I puked, and it was not a good night. All of yesterday, I woke up and I thought I had COVID because I had a sore throat probably from puking. And I mean, anytime I even get like, I feel just a little bit off, I'm like, oh fuck, it's COVID. And it's never COVID, but I think I had COVID like 6 months ago or so, like way back when it first came around, because my whole house got sick. It was like during the first beginning of the lockdown, because my roommates had to go out to the strip on the last day before the quarantine started. Anyways, all right, we are parked at AutoZone. As you may, no, you can't tell. We're gonna go in there, get some windshield wipers, and I'm still waiting on a dash. I haven't got one yet. Oh my god, I have 10 notifications. Sometimes I don't put my sound on, or I guess the sound is just, yeah, sometimes it just doesn't notify me. But I've apparently gotten 10 notifications. This one sucks. 10 miles for $7, not doing that. But, alright, I guess it's pretty busy right now and I've just been not paying attention. Alright, let's go get these windshield wipers. Double order. Look at this. $14 for 1.9 miles. Can it get any better? It's from Panera Bread. I don't get it. It's 2 orders, which is still not a big deal. It looks like they're both going to the same place. Strange. $14 for 2 miles. Can't get much better than that. Okay, we've actually, we have not gone anywhere because I forgot my wallet. You know that saying, phone keys wallet? Mine is phone keys camera wallet. And I forgot the wallet part, which is not good for when you're trying to buy windshield wipers, because I don't think they're going to take, sometimes they take like Apple Pay, but usually not. So I'm just going to do this order, then go home and get my freaking wallet because I forgot it. I should just keep it in the car because there's no point of taking it in the house. I never need it when I'm in the house. Let's go get this Panera Bread. Oh, but as I was saying, no more drinking for me. And this is completely unrelated, but like, I was hungover all day yesterday. My roommate's dog is a freaking bitch. Like, it is terrified of everything. And I picked up the dog just to like pet it, and it was like licking my face. And then it got scared. I don't know why it got scared, but the dog's scared of everything, and bit my lip. Yeah, there's nothing worse than having a cut on the inside of your lip and getting bit in the lip by a freaking dumb little dog. Ooh, I hate little dogs sometimes. It's just like, it's about how you train your dog, you know? I gotta say, this dog is as bad of a trained dog as it possibly gets too. Anyway, so no more drinking for me. Dog related situations, kind of, it just happened to be on the same night that I was drunk, but no more drinking. No more. Because nothing good comes from drinking, you know? Like a couple of years ago, I kind of just, well, maybe like a year or two ago, I just decided that I was gonna stop smoking weed, and I just stopped liking it, and I haven't really been smoking weed since. But the alcohol, it's gotta go, you know? Ever since I've been single, I've been probably drinking a little bit more than I should be. Not good. No, just should not be drinking. I'm down with like wine every once in a while, but no more hard liquor. Hard liquor is just a disaster waiting to happen. I'm only telling you guys because I feel like if I make an announcement, if I like post it on Facebook, or if I tell people, I'm gonna be held accountable, and I'm gonna keep myself accountable more than if I just decide, all right, no more drinking, and then I don't tell anyone, you know? Anyone who makes decisions like that and they just don't tell anyone, they usually don't stick to those decisions. But I, for reals, am done. Alcohol is no good. But this is a very classic example of people drink too much and then they're like, I'm never drinking again. I'm just not gonna drink for, I don't know how long, the year, maybe the whole year, we'll see. Got the order. So far so good. They are definitely going to the same like person or something because it's 2 orders. Literally same address, same directions and everything. I am a little annoyed that it says I'm going to a high risk pregnancy hospital. What is that? I don't even know what that is. But I don't like the idea. I hate going to hospitals because it's like, if I was to get COVID, like, that's the place I'm gonna get it, you know? But, okay, kind of annoying. Either way, we're gonna do it. Let's go. Alright, so far so good. That was a super easy order. Walked in, dropped it off at the front desk, walked out. Both orders were for the same, I guess they were like coworkers or something like that. Anyway, so we just accepted a Chick-fil-A order, $9.50 for 5 miles, and yeah, and then we've already made 20 bucks in literally like, so far I've only been going for about like 15 minutes or so, so we might have like a $50 hour on our hands, hopefully. Yeah, out of the hair of my mouth. Anyway, so going to Chick-fil-A, one of my favorite places to do delivery. This place is so funny because they have like, it's probably so busy there, but they have like all these cones in the drive-thru, and you have to like, I don't know, I'll show you guys when we get there. But what I was gonna say is this is why you always DoorDash in the rain, because you get such good orders. It's getting bright out, the sun's coming back. Anyways, I've been like getting orders like pretty much like crazy, you know, like after I dropped off that order, I got 3 orders just walking down the stairs to my car. They were all horrible orders, but then we got this Chick-fil-A one. So this is why you always dash in the rain. You always get good orders. All right, check this out. Look, they got like an obstacle course, and this is way too damn small for my car to fit through too, guys. Way too small. Not everyone is driving a Prius. It's like an obstacle course they have. Boom! Gotta love when you get a sweet tip. So, I'm gonna be, I'm just gonna talk about this for a quick second because, well, maybe I'll make another video on it. So, I made a video the other day about, why no one should work a minimum wage job. And you're never gonna change my mind, man. You make so much more money when you're doing delivery driving. Plus you have freedom, you have options, you pay your like you decide how you pay your taxes rather than someone else taking all your money out. Man, if you're talking about an $8 an hour job, minimum wage, after you take your taxes out, you're working like $6 an hour or less. So yeah, no one's changed my mind on this, but I am going to bring on my CPA in one of these next videos to make sure everyone knows everything about taxes before you do them for the next year. So stay tuned. Very nerdy tax video coming soon with my new business partner slash CPA. You know, it was funny, I called a CPA a CPU when I made that first tax video, and all the comments are destroying me because I kept saying CPU like an idiot. I knew it was CPA, I just totally I mind blank sometimes because I talk so much. Anyways, all right, continue on. $25 so far and we've been working for 36 minutes so far. So on track to be possibly a $50 hour. I doubt it though, because we don't have any orders right now and I'm not in the greatest spot to get more orders. All right, sending it. All right, so we are gonna take this last order because I am literally parked right outside of Einstein Bros Bagels right now, so it's like perfect, and I don't have to go anywhere. I gotta wait a little bit before, got 10 more minutes before it says it's ready. I'll probably give it like another 3 or 4 before I go in, and then this order literally takes me like right back towards the area of my house. And then I'm gonna go to the gym because it's about to be 1 o'clock and you don't want to be dashing at 1 o'clock because 1 to 4 is like pretty horrible time to be dashing, you know. So we are gonna do this order real quick, then go home. Sorry, this really hot girl driving this car in front of me is distracting me. I'm not gonna show you her. Anyways, all right, let's do this order and then I'm gonna call it a day because I got another video to make on, if you guys haven't seen this one yet, because I haven't made it yet, but I'm putting this video out tomorrow, and it's going, maybe today, I don't know. It's gonna be about why you need to never tell your car insurance that you're driving for DoorDash, or if you ever get into an accident, you cannot tell them that you were driving, because it's kind of like drunk driving, you know, never admit you're guilty. No insurance place will insure you if you say that you are, if you say that you're doing delivery driving. It's kind of like this weird, it's super weird, but no one's gonna, like, no regular insurance company is going to cover you. You know, there is a couple companies that will do that, but you have to pay extra for it. So anyways, video coming on that soon. We'll see you guys in the next one. That's all I got for you guys today. I'm not gonna film this video from Einstein Bros because this video is already getting too long anyways. But it's not even raining anymore. That's why the orders aren't gonna be as good right now. But yeah, so doing this last order. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you guys have not. And please consider smashing that like button because it greatly helps on my channel. I am not kidding. Because I started asking people to smash the like button, my channel's been doing so much better, and I thank you guys so much. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Check out offaxisacrobatics.com for more info on my footwear company. We got the best shoes in the game. All right, we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks. Peace.